just hanging out today at Quorum. We have a special guest from Levitate Prosthetics, Lasse from Netherlands.
Denmark.
Denmark?
I'm from Denmark.
Oh, sorry, Denmark.
You know, yeah, but the language is almost the same. Not really, but it sounds similar.
Well, thanks for coming by.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Super interesting facility you have.
What do you got going on here?
Yeah, so in Levitate we make running blades. We make them in a assembly kit where you get everything that you need in order to get it installed either at home or at your practitioner. And then we sell them for $2,000 US. Yeah.
All right, direct to the patient.
Yeah, so it's buy online, install at home.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So if you want to run, get a hold of you.
If you want to run, you can just reach out to Levitate, and then we'll figure it out.
Excellent.
So it works like it comes in a kit. When you open up the box, you have everything you need. You scan a QR code, and then there is an assembly and alignment guide, and then it takes you through the entire process of how to get started with running, and it fits to your socket, your existing socket or your existing knee. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. You see, it fits to your sockets as well.
Yeah, it looks beautiful too. That's the same colors, right?
Yeah, I looked online and then I saw your sockets, and then when we designed it, we figured to put the same colors. You see the gray is the same, and the sole color is the same as well. So it's pretty cool.
So you're an amputee, and you just decided one day you're going to make your own running foot.
Yeah. So I was in need of a new running blade, and then when I went online and asked people, how do you get your running blades? Basically, they said we don't, because it's not reimbursable. Most people treat it like the industry or the
luxury
items or sports gear. So then I figured, well, if they really see it that way, why don't we treat it that way? So we make basically the same model as you would go online and buy any other type of sports gear. You buy a bicycle, you get it home, you adjust the saddle to your height, and then really you get going. And if you need to change something, well, you can change it as well. And then we figured, why is that not a model in this industry? And then also, why don't we price it at the same level as other sports equipment? So that's basically what we do in Levitate.
So you're giving people access and getting them more active.
Yeah.
That's great.
Call it freedom to play.
I love it.
Yeah. So they can...
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I really think, these two components together would be really interesting. But yeah, tell me a little bit about your design and what you're doing and what has been the thoughts behind it.
Yeah, I mean, we've been working on this for about 7 years now.
Mm-hmm.
And originally it was designed in be done in lamination with carbon fiber and the wet lamination.
Yeah.
And it was really designed for above the knee prosthetics.
Mm-hmm.
And it was an adjustable socket that was engineered in such a way it wouldn't break, that it creates a pulley system. So it has an 8-to-1 advantage because it creates these pulleys, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a simplistic design, but very complex at the same time. With additive manufacturing and Hewlett-Packard printers, we're able to manufacture these for the below the knee sockets also. And it worked out quite well to where it even worked out for myself. I'm a 1-inch below the knee amputee, 1 inch of tibia, and we're able to engineer a socket for myself, which is kind of unusual to be such a short below the knee amputee.
Yeah, yeah.
And to have my own product, I was thrilled to be able to wear it because everybody else is wearing it. So maybe
that's pretty.
The owner
cool,
should have it too. And
that's similar to when we made the first models. It was basically me going into when we had the first prototype. I went into the parking lot and then I ran around, and then all of a sudden I figured, okay, we have something here that is working, and then it really just expanded from there. Now we have hundreds of runners all around the world that are using the Levitate products, and it's just really amazing. So I I can't wait to see people putting the Levitate blade on the Quorum socket. It's gonna be pretty cool to see.
We'll make it happen.
Yeah, it's gonna be
looking
super
forward
nice.
to working with you.
Yeah.
Wish you all the luck.
Best of luck to you as well.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
All right.